VueNow Morta office team participated in an essential CPR training session. This hands-on training equipped employees with life-saving skills. Led by a skilled instructor, the team learned the fundamentals of cardiopulmonary resuscitation, or CPR. The session focused on the steps needed to respond effectively in critical situations. Each employee had the opportunity to practice CPR techniques on training dummies, ensuring they were confident and capable of performing chest compressions and rescue breaths. By engaging in this practical training, team members gained crucial skills to potentially save lives in emergencies. It was a reminder of why preparedness and knowledge are vital in any workplace. At VueNow, we're committed to not just professional excellence, but also ensuring the safety and well-being of our team. Together, we're prepared for any challenge. Stay prepared, stay safe, and always be ready to make a difference.